Subhanallah, walhamdulillah.
Now our 10th standard students will gather to express our heartfelt gratitude to our teachers who guide us, inspire us and shape our future. तुम्हारी बातों की भीनी खुशबू हमारी सोचों में बस गई है। तुम्हारे नक्शे कदम से हमने हजारों उजले ख्याल पाए। Students of Standard 10, please come on the stage.
The final year of our school life has come to an end. I can't even imagine such a long journey of about 12 years.
These memories are the ones to be cherished in every stage of our life, don't you think?
Yeah, actually, 10th grade, a time when everything felt like it matters a lot.
But I'm happy we are finally seniors.
Can we just not forget about the exam pressure too?
But yes, of course, how can we not forget?
Of course, we can't forget about studies, but what matters is the environment we lived in and how amazingly our teachers have nurtured us.
Yeah, she's right. Like for me, I will always remember the best moment which we had spent together, not the exam pressure.
Do you remember our first trophy we received in 5th grade for the Best Class Award?
Yes, of course, how can we forget that we used to do a lot of activities in 5th grade?
That time we were the competitors, not friends.
That was the starting point of a friendship basically.
But do you know we have always gained something from every single teacher till now?
As I was preparing for exams and the next chapter of my life, I realized how much we all owe to our teachers and friends as well.
As the year passed, we began to understand that we met different teachers, each one with their unique way of guiding us. Some were tough, some were kind, but aiming towards the same goal, to see us succeed.
You know what? Looking back, I realized that each teacher acted as a guide. They were not only teaching us lessons, but also inculcating the values of life through those lessons.
Let's share about the best lesson we have learned from them. What do you think?
Great idea.
So, I'll go first. Actually, I have learned many things from my teacher, but the one example of our chairman sir that has special place in my heart is that mistake how we learn. We should never be afraid of our failure, no matter what. Always, once our chairman sir taught us, don't give up, don't be afraid of our failure. Always follow the path of hardship and growth.
Next, me. So, I really love our school. It has an optimistic environment. Our director madam has bring us closer to the values of life.
Grade 1. Come on, Mariam.
Okay, I was unable to speak fluent English, but our English teacher has worked hard. Along as I thank her for planting seeds of literature, I have learned a lot from her.
Over the time, I have realized the strictness of a maths teacher wasn't just for discipline. Our teachers were molding us for something great.
She have absolutely seen our abilities so that we can nurture properly.
Start, Afreen.
I really want to thank my SS teacher because what I have learned from her are the great values of life.
Even our Marathi teacher, she taught us with lots of patience and didn't give up on us, even though when we wanted to give up.
But guys, Hindi lecture was the best.
Yes, because it was the only lecture जिसमें we could talk in Hindi.
I think even if we get an hour, we won't be able to express our feelings and memories we have spent with our teachers.
Let's just dedicate a song to all of our teachers. Having so many teachers is really a blessing.
तुमसे
है उजालों का कारवां, तुमसे है मेरे ख्वाबों का जहां, तुमसे ही उम्मीदों की कहकशां, तुमसे ही खुशनुमा है ये जहां, तुम रोशनी हो इल्म की, तुम ही रहनुमा, जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ, जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ। माँ बाप सी शफकत भी है, इल्म की दौलत भी है, और तेरी दुआओं से हर कदम इज्जत भी है। हमें हौसला तूने दिया, हाँ यकीन तूने दिया, जिस पे आगे बढ़े कदम वो रास्ता तूने दिया। तुम ही रोशनी हो इल्म की, तुम ही रहनुमा। The way you teach and make us wise, enlighten us with the brightest light, and lead us to the path that is so right. Your love is rare, but it's never hard to find. जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ, जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला वो प्यार कहाँ, जो तूने दिया, जो तूने किया, जो तुझसे मिला शुक्रिया।
And so the journey of our school life ends here, but it's the beginning of something else because of them. And we are who we are today.
And our failure will be more right just because of them.